Hi, welcome back to the Keto's YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about Easy Monitor. You have probably heard about it, but you have probably heard about it in the sense of like, oh, we monitor your certificates and we tell you when they're going to expire and all those things, which are great and like people love it. However, I just had a conversation with a customer and they told me that another feature that usually most people don't really care about came to be useful to them. And that was the similar domains feature. So when people are trying to phish you, they're going to try to get a domain that is very similar to yours, or they might actually get they'll just put your domain as a subdomain and do it. Or in this case, you can see doing ketos.no instead of .io. And one of the cool things we have, since we have every single certificate that has been created in the database, is we actually check for domains that might be impersonating you, and we let you know. Most of the time, it's a non-issue. So in this cases, these ones for ketos, they're a non-issue. They're usually park domains and so on. However, we get an alert and we are able to check it out, make sure that no one is trying to impersonate us and hack our customers. So I thought I would share it with you guys because I know that most of the time we think of Easy Monitor just as a certificate health and monitoring tool, but it's so much more, and then sometimes it surprises you in a good way. It's better to catch the attack before it happens. So thank you so much for watching, and please let us know if there's other features that you enjoy that we maybe have not covered of Easy Monitor.